Dear students, myself Dr. Anand Sarup Pandey, Professor in the Department of BBA, JIMS Engineering Management Technical Campus, Greater Noida. I am taking your paper Business Ethics and Corporate Social Responsibility. Today, I will proceed further with the topic Introduction. Introduction of values, the very first unit. So in the introduction, I'll proceed to discuss three subtopics. Number one, types of values. Number two, formation of values. And number three, values and behavior. So let us take the very first one, called as the types of values. Values can be classified into two broad categories. What are these two broad categories? Number one is the individual value and the second one is called as the collective values. What is individual values? These are those values which are ultimately related with the development of human personality or individual norms of recognition and protection of the human personality, such as honesty, loyalty, honor, veracity. So individual values are those values which are generally related with the development of the human personality. Now collective values, they are those values which are ultimately connected with the solidarity of the community or collective norms of equality, justice, again solidarity and socialness. They are called as the collective values. Now these values can also be categorized from the point of view taking into consideration the hierarchical arrangement. So as per hierarchical arrangement, the very first type of value is called as the internal value or intrinsic value. Now these are the values which are related to the goals of life, and they are sometimes also known as the ultimate and transcendent values. They determine the schemata of human rights and duties and of human virtues. And in the hierarchy of values, they occupy the highest place and superior to all other values of life. So these are called as the internal values or intrinsic values, where we can focus on the ultimate value of our life or transcendent values of our life. So generally our virtues, human virtues, they comes under the category called as the intrinsic value. The second subtype is called as the instrumental values. Now what are instrumental values? These values come from internal values in the scheme of gradation of values. And these values are the means to achieve goals. Goals means the intrinsic values of life. And they are also known as the incidental or proximate values. Now the second subtopic is the formation of values. How values are formed. Under the formation of values, we mean how values are formed. So value formation is the confluence of our personal experiences and particular culture we are entwined in. Values are imposed from our family in childhood and reinforced through culture and life experiences. The value of, for example, kindness was imposed on me from my parents and reinforced throughout early childhood. So the values are formulated on the basis of our personal experiences. So ultimately what I mean to say that better is your personal experience, better is the formation of the value. And say for example, if kindness is there in our parents, then this value, this experience we also draw, and our personal experiences will be one of the determining factor towards the formation of the good values. Simultaneously, our culture also plays a role in the formation of values. Culture gives us a community and shared reality so that we can cooperate in activities and customs that give meaning, purpose, and significance to our existence. Culture gives us prescriptions for appropriate conduct so that we can learn best how to get along with others. Now, this is very, very important here. Culture refers to the family culture part. So, family culture is also one of the important parameter which is responsible for the value formation, and culture depicts the norms of the society and also shared in totality, taking into consideration the degree of cooperativeness and customs which is responsible for our existence in the society. So ultimately, our appropriate conduct and behavior also becomes responsible for the value formation. Now, after this, the third subtopic is how the values and behavior they are interrelated to each other. So, students, we know very well that behavior always influences the values, the social values. And if one can care about how one can act and follow the rules of the society, these rules of the society are called as the behavior. Your social values will climb and others will see this as the norm and follow. And just like today, it's the opposite. People are shortcutting the rules and others follow along thinking it's okay to do this because others do it. So what does this mean? This means that the behavior, number one, it influences social values. Number two, the behavior depicts the rules of the society. Number three, these rules of the society ultimately uh, becomes responsible for the formation of the values. And in this manner, one can say that the values and behavior both are related to each other. So, values can be incorporated taking into consideration the beliefs, behavior, consequences, relationship. Beliefs, behavior, consequences, relationships. And the results can shape both our beliefs as well as values. And it is also true, both what is true, it is also true that both values and beliefs they lead to the particular behavior. In other words, what does this mean? This means that our behavior, our particular behavior, it depends upon our beliefs and the values. And the analytical point, critical point for any of the individual is to understand when attempting to change the culture of their organization, one should focus on the values, which is a more powerful lever than simply focusing on beliefs. So here again these lines shows that values and behaviors they are interrelated to each other. Now after this, inside this subtopic values and behavior, let us try to understand one value to entirely opposite behavior. We have one value, but our behaviors are entirely opposite. Does this means that you should drop values to focus on behavior? Not quite. Here are some of the reasons for using one or the other. So under values, we have further description that number one, values are an essential part of culture and are needed to describe it at the deepest level. And they are the part of the they are the part of our behavior level along with the feelings and beliefs. So what does this mean? This means that culture incorporates values and they depicts the value, they describe value at the grassroots level. Number two, values underpin behavior. It is difficult to change behavior without going through the B level. The third thing, employees are used to discuss values because they have been the part of the corporate landscape for many years, and really many organizations used to focus exclusively solely on the values to shape their culture. Number four, values are easy to express conceptually in one word. And number five, values hierarchy is at the core of how we behave. Now, discuss something about the behavior part. Number one, behaviors are what makes culture doable. They translate values into tangible, observable, and measurable elements that can be implemented, assessed, and improved. Number two, because there can be many, sometimes opposite behaviors for a single value, working with behaviors can avoid ambiguity. Number three, one behavior on the other hand can represent several values. And number four, behaviors are easy to observe. They are what people do, what we call the do label. As a consequence, employees can easily self-correct. And number five, behaviors make it easy to define standards. This in turn makes culture doable. So in this slide, I had discussed about the concept of the behavior, and with the explanation of the concept of the behavior as well as values, one can say that values and behavior both are interrelated to each other. So today I had taken into consideration the previously I had discussed the concept of value, but today I had taken into consideration to discuss the types of the values and behavior, how they are interrelated to each other. Thank you.